Hey friends, I'm going to share with you my recipe for buttercream frosting. There are a lot of them out there, they're all good, but this is how I make it. It could not be simpler. I highly recommend having a KitchenAid if you want to make buttercream frosting easily. But what we're going to do is we're going to start, and the first thing you do, I use both butter and shortening. So I'm going to start with the butter and the shortening, and the first thing you do is you cream the butter and shortening until it's completely incorporated and creamy. Then I'm going to add a little water and almond extract. Almond extract makes a cake taste like a bakery cake. I put almond not only in my buttercream frosting, but I also put it in my cake. And almond extract is very strong, but it makes a difference. So I'm just going to incorporate this until the water and the liquid is incorporated, and then we're going to finish this off. Okay, guys, now what I'm going to do is this is 4 cups of confectioners or powdered sugar. So I'm going to start by adding this slowly, and the reason you want to add it slowly is where it won't spew sugar all over. You just want to get it all in there without making a mess. Then, once your sugar is all in the bowl, being mixed, this is where a KitchenAid comes in handy. You're going to let this mix for 8 minutes, and this will do all the work. So I will see you all back in 8 minutes. Okay everyone, it has been 8 minutes, and look at this fluffy as a cloud buttercream frosting. Look how beautiful. And it's got great almond flavor. You can freeze this and thaw it at room temp for a few hours. Later, when you bake your cake, you can keep this in the refrigerator for several days. So this is something you can make ahead and have on hand, and then bake your cake and you'll have your frosting ready to go. I hope this was helpful in helping you make buttercream frosting. As always, thank you for watching and have a fabulous day.